is going to be my official first video that I'm going to be making on my YouTube channel after I got monetized. Because the reason why I waited till today for me to start this YouTube channel videos is because I want to share my YouTube growth for somebody like you that is also interested in monetizing your YouTube channel, that you have tried a lot of things and it is not working out for you. And believe me, in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you my live results, my live account, everything that I have done, the strategies that I have used, the skills that I have learned that made it easier for me. As you have known, that my goal for African youth is for me to see them move from level 1 to level 2, aspiring APS kilobyte and APS kilobyte that is currently watching me. I'm going to be sharing you everything that made it easier for me, although the word easier there is not something that is easy anyways, because I know that I put in the effort for me to get the desired result that I am getting today on my YouTube channel. I just got my account monetized this month, and believe me, I'm so excited to share you my journey so that you too can follow my footprint, and you can also get the desired results for yourself. I'm not going to be hiding anything for you. I'm going to be showing you my live results. So before we even waste too much of our time, let me quickly share you my YouTube analytics so you can see. I got monetized in July 7, which is on Tuesday. As you can actually see here, that on the 7th of July, that was when my account got monetized. As you can see that before this time out, it was 000. Although I've been monetized since February this month, because I actually got through my 3,000 watch hour in February, but I have to reach 4,000 watch hour before YouTube can start paying me. So I need to put in more effort, and you can see how long it took me from February, March, April, May, June, July. It took me like 4 to 5 months for me to reach my threshold, and by the special grace of God, I got to the threshold this month. And as you can see, July 7 was also 000, and you can see here now, since July 8, I add $0.40, and then you can see 23, you can see 33, and like that till on the 24th of July, which I add $1.07. Now you can also achieve this, and that is how the money will continue to grow every single day. If you also want to achieve this, there are some things that you need to learn. There are some tools that you need to be exposed to. There are some strategies that you need to learn, and by the special grace of God, I am going to be walking you through everything step by step on my YouTube channel. If this sounds like what you would also want to learn, because I'm sure some of you might have watched numerous videos of how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hour. You've tried so many things and it is not working out for you. Believe me, I'm going to be putting you through accordingly, so far you are ready to learn and implement. If this sounds like what you would love to learn, you can easily subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, because in this particular channel, we don't hide any updates, we don't hide anything for our students. I'm going to be showing you the live result, the live things that I have done, so that you can also do that and you can get the desired results for yourself. I am African Prince Alex, and I am a digital creator and a digital marketing coach. Presently, as I speak, I have empowered over 5,000 African youth in different 10 African countries, or let me say in over 10 African countries, and I'm still empowering more. What am I empowering them on? I am empowering them on different digital skills like social media content marketing skill, copywriting skill, closing skill, article writing, content writing, and the likes. You are going to see much more videos on my channel if you haven't done so. As you can see, when you go to my channel and then you go to my let me go to my YouTube videos. When I get to my videos, you can just scroll down. There are a lot of videos that is going to be valuable for you that I've actually created, that you can learn 1 or 2 things from. These are the things that I teach on this particular channel. But starting from today henceforth, I'm going to be including something that is very important for you as well, because for you to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to understand everything that you need to understand, because if you do not understand it, you can spend 5 years without getting any results. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything that I'm going to be covering on this my YouTube channel starting from today henceforth, so that you can see if it is something you would love to continue to learn with me. You can subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and if you have subscribed, you should turn on your bell notification so that you can be getting so that you can be getting the latest video that I drop anytime I drop them. What I have for you today is just the summary of what I'm going to be dropping on this particular channel. And believe me, like I said, I'm going to be making it live so that you can see. And if you have any video that you want me to create, or you have any question whatsoever that may be bothering you based on digital skills or anything you want to learn, you can always drop it in the comment section. I'm going to read through my comment section and create anything you want me to create for you, because my goal for you is for me to see you grow, see you making money online on different platforms. So in a nutshell, things that I'm going to be covering on this particular YouTube channel starting from today henceforth. Number one is how you yourself can actually grow your YouTube channel. The skills you are going to be needing, the tools you are going to be needing, the right settings you are going to be setting. Everything is what I'm going to be covering step by step. And even if I'm going to be diverting the topic to another thing, I will definitely inform you in my video so that you can actually be aware of what I want to do next, pending the time that I will come back to a specific topic. So the first one that I'm going to be covering is majorly YouTube, how to grow your YouTube. That is majorly what I'm going to be covering. And after that time, I am also a blogger. If you are aspiring blogger, or probably you are a blogger and you are not also making money on your blog, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to also grow your blog, and some mistakes that you may be making, I'm also going to be exposing you to them so that you stop making those mistakes and you can also start making money as a blogger. Apart from blogging, I'm also going to be talking about Forex trading. Forex trading is what majority of African youth want to go into presently, but most of them have actually wasted a lot of their money not getting any result. And the truth about Forex trading is, if you don't understand what we call the risk management, if you don't understand what it means, how to go about it, or the right knowledge behind trading, is going to be very, very difficult for you to make money as a trader. How are you going to be going through everything? By the special grace of God, in this particular video or in this particular channel, I'm going to be walking you through everything appropriately so that you can understand, you can stand out by yourself, and you can all share your testimonials, because I can't wait to share every one of you testimonial on this my channel based on your progress. So starting from today henceforth, I want you to get yourself prepared. I want you to get yourself ready for you to get started with this particular journey with me. And if you need clarity about how to get started, believe me, you can also drop it in the comment section. I am willing to help you grow on this internet space. So let us start from here. I'm going to be linking some videos to this particular video that is going to be helping you out if you are a beginner. I'm going to be starting from the first one. If you are a beginner and you want to become an article writer, you click on that video, you are going to start your journey to become an article writer. I have created a detailed video that will teach you everything about article writing skill. So you can click on the video above. If you want to start your YouTube channel and you don't know how to get started, this is the second video I'm going to be linking at the top of this particular video. Take your time, watch the video, start building your channel from scratch. Everything you need, I'm still going to be talking about it in my subsequent videos for those of you that have already started already. But if you want to get started, you can see the video at the top right corner of this particular video. Click on it to get started. Now, if you want to become a blogger and you don't know how to get started, I have actually linked another video at the top right corner of this particular video so that you can watch and begin your journey to become a blogger. That is the three, right? So let me just think for now. In my next video, I'm going to be linking some of the videos that, okay, let me link another one for the last part. If you also want to learn how to create a website, you want to create a professional website, you can check the video linked to this particular video at the top right corner. You can see it popping up, right? Yeah, click on it and you can get started. Please don't do everything at the same time. Focus on one for now. Once you complete one, you can move to the other one. This online space requires you to take things one after the other for you to get results. Specifically, I'm going to be based on people that want to grow their YouTube channel. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you my journey from the very first beginning, the settings that I actually did, and what I turned on, what I turned off, some SEO strategies that I have learned. I'm going to be sharing it with you in my next video, and I'm going to be making the next video live and practical so that you can also see and implement that on your YouTube channel before you get started creating the videos, because there are some things you need to be exposed to, there are some things you need to learn, there are some things you need to be exposed to, there are some things you need to learn. Everything is what I'm going to be breaking down for you on this particular channel. I am African Prince RX, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.